Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have this wooden round. I put some plastiline or whatever in the hole because it will be a clock, and I have one more, and I will do a flower dip, spiral flower dip, not reverse dip, because I will use my skin when it will dry for another clock. So I will get two from this project. And I still have some paints from my previous pours here, so I will just use those. And I like the combinations of some, so I will just pour some black for a base. And spread it around. So I just want to tell you that Rajko has his holidays from work, so probably we will not be home all the time. We will enjoying some time together, so maybe you will see some of my older videos that because I normally film myself even when I do anything, so I have some videos left that I didn't publish yet, so maybe some of them will be my old videos, and maybe there will not be new video every day like I normally do, because we are not sure yet what will happen, where we will go, or just taking some time on easy, not off totally, because I love to have you, my YouTube family, around too. So okay, this is my black base, and for the flower, spiral flower, I will start with pearl white today. And I don't necessarily want this to be total, towards the end. So let's try to always mess with this center. I don't know. Okay. And next will be alizarian crimson. And with the dip, not reverse dip, even spiral flowers are a little different, so we will see what will happen. And next will be Extreme Sheen DecoArt Extreme Sheen Gold. And next will be magenta, because on one of my pours I liked this magenta and copper together, so I will do this magenta and then Pebeo iridescent copper for the last color. And I We'll add a little more white here, just a little of this red, and maybe a little bit of gold, just then I will connect this with copper, I don't know. And then I was thinking to add some greenery around this time, so I will just, I'm not sure what I want to do. Let's do some kind of leaves. And pearl white, this was olive green deep, and pearl white for some lacing, but I don't want a lot of pearl white here probably, but I can correct them with the skewer later, so it's not a big deal. And olive green light. Okay, and I will use a skewer for some lines before the dip today. I will break this a little bit, you know, just let's do this, so I will just play a little bit today. We will see how this will work. Now I will go this way, and then I will dip the middle, and it's not necessarily that it will be totally in the middle, but and now I will, you know, put down my wooden thing, wooden round. So let's do that. And because this is the wood, you know, it could be a little different than when you use canvas, because it's not flexible. So I don't even know if I will manage to lift it up straight up, or it will be totally different. So okay, and I have to grab some cups that I will use them to put my clock on when I will lift it. So are you ready? Let's see. I definitely feel that I will not be able to lift it up straight up, because it's, you know, solid thing, it's not canvas, so we will see. Maybe a spiral even wasn't the best idea for the wooden round, or how can I say. I can't do nothing with it, I just have to leave it. So let's see what is here. I think that I even like this one better, but both of them are a little weird. I will torch and take you for a close-up. So here they are. Not what I was hoping for. So because I want to have, you know, 2 clocks, but on the wood I think that if I would love to have the a flower, like, you know, a rose, like what you can get with the spiral reverse flower dip, I should have done a reverse flower dip and have just 1 clock. So tell me in the comments, do you want me to do the one with reverse flower dip, to see the difference, that you will see the difference between reverse and flower dip, because it is different, you know, much different results, and process of course too. So tell me in the comments, and see you on the next one. Bye.